We have a life cycle of a housefly. So the question reads, figure 3.1 shows the life cycle of a housefly. Okay, then question A1 is saying identify the stages labeled G and H. Labeled G and H. Okay, the stages labeled G and H. So when you look at G, those are eggs. Okay, and when you look at H, you have the first one is a larva stage, the second one is also a larva stage. So you can say H is the second larva stage. Second larva stage. Okay, second larva stage. All right. Then question 2, A2 is saying explain the changes taking place during stage 1. Explain the changes taking place during what? Stage 1. So you can say not stage 1, sorry, I. Okay, so you can say it increases greatly. Okay, it increases greatly in size. As we can see, it increases greatly in size. Okay, then the other change is that it is reducing. It is reducing in the production of predatory maggots. Okay, in the predatory maggots that feed on other maggots, that feed on other what? On other maggots. All right. Another important information that you need to know is that it also reduces. So it is reducing. It is reducing in feeding. In feeding on the rotting material. Okay, rotting material by sucking the nutrients. Okay, by sucking the nutrients. By sucking the nutrients, and also it starts moving. Starts moving using its pads. Okay, these pads are found on the lower side. On the lower side of their bodies. So the changes that take place during stage I is that it increases greatly in size. It is reducing on the production of predatory maggots that feed on other maggots. It is reducing in the feeding of rotting material by sucking their nutrients and moving using pads and found on the lower side of their bodies. Next question. Question is B1. Which stage in figure 3.1 would be most effective for eradicating housefly? Which stage in figure 3.1 would be most effective for eradicating houseflies? So it is the pupa stage. Pupa stage. Why the pupa stage? Why the pupa stage? Because it's not moving, so you can just spray insecticides. Okay, at this stage it is not moving. All right, question B2. Question B2 is saying, using a named example, describe the role of housefly in disease transmission. Okay, named example, meaning example of a disease. So you can just say, houseflies are vectors. Are vectors for pathogens. Are vectors for pathogens that cause disease. They cause cholera, dysentery, and also typhoid. Okay, that's all to this question. The life cycle of a housefly according to this question. Thank you.